fighting for this beautiful trophy is the host team because we are in Lucknow. मुस्कुराइए आप लखनऊ में हैं. Smile, you are in Lucknow. And with that smile, please welcome the rebels from UP. It is UP Rebels. Led by the very experienced Satyapal. Oh, look at that. Look at that swag. Satyapal is the captain, followed by Anjali Bhati, comes from Greater Noida. There is Rohit Tiwari, whose brother Mohit Tiwari is the captain of Pune. Not to forget Ranjit Kumar, not to forget Rahul Kumar and Kashif Ahmed, the two reserve players. And to give that global tadka, we have the marquee player, the world champion from Armenia, Artson Ohanian. So the team from UP looks really strong. Look at that. Look at that, Navneet.
And what's going to be very interesting in the league in itself as we see the UP Rebels lineup is...
Thank you so much, Navneet. The referee Rajesh is ready, and so are Yogita Yadav from Delhi and Anjali Bhati from UP. So the format is whichever fighter scores first, her team wins the toss. So this is going to be very, very crucial. The first ever very unique toss of the second season of UKL is underway. You need to score first in able to win the toss, and there you see a punch, and this toss bout is over. We'll have to wait and see the referee's signal. Delhi's fighter Yogita Yadav scores, and Delhi Bravehearts have won this toss. Very unique toss. We do not flip a coin. We do not flip anything for that matter. We fight. Both the female fighters from both the teams fight it out to be able to win the toss.
The first bout of Season 2 of UKL goes in favor of the Delhi Bravehearts, courtesy Yogita Yadav. If you win that bout, you get a chance to choose whether you want to attack or defend. And that's why I have the two captains here. I've got Kuldeep from the Delhi Bravehearts, Satya from UP Rebels. And Kuldeep gets his chance to say whether he wants to attack or defend.
Defend, obviously.
Defend, and why do you choose that?
Because I just want to know their strategy. So maybe it would be a better option to choose. Yeah.
Smart tactics from the captain, Delhi Bravehearts. They won the toss and they choose to defend. Makes it exciting for the viewers as well as everyone here in the stands as well.
The fear and the excitement of the unknown. I think that will describe the Ultimate Karate League. Okay, that is fine. You hug the opponents for the first and the last time, because after that, this mat is going to be on fire. And Navneet and myself, we both were here last evening, watching these fighters practice.
They will come back as the tiebreaker. But at the moment, it's 6-on-6. And as we move along, we will give you a little bit of a sense of how the different rounds work. But at the moment, each bout will be for 1 minute. And you'll have one team that attacks and the other team that defends.
Season 2, and he took down all the three defenders. Here comes number 2 attacker. It is Satyapal, the captain of UP. No takedown so far. Remember, takedown gets you 5 or 10 points. That's a takedown. That's a takedown. It gets 5 points. There comes the defender number 2.
There's so much happening in such little time. It's so hard for the viewers here, even for the commentators to comprehend in some sense. Satya, the captain of the UP Rebels, he is absolutely jubilant. This is a brilliant start from the Rebels. Now it's going to be the UP Rebels that will attack again. Mind you, they will do this 3 times with a 1 minute break in between. The two marquee fighters are at it right now. Artson, brilliant, he's exchanging some punches. Delhi are very tentative and on the defense right now. At the moment, watch out for the referee and which way he goes. That's 1 more point. Brilliant, a kick. He's going for the combination. Well, Delhi clearly on the defensive here. 2 more points.
ओके आप जब भी किक लगाते हैं अपने ओपोनेंट को या पंच करते हैं, किसी भी तरह का मूव करते हैं, आपको 1 पॉइंट मिलता है. अगर आप टेक डाउन करते हैं, यानी अगर आप अपने ओपोनेंट को उठा के मैट पे पटकते हैं, यू गेट 5 पॉइंट्स. इफ यू टेक योर ओपोनेंट ओवर योर हेड and then slam him down, you get 10 points. And there is for us to release the score, because in this fast sport, in this fast format, the live scoring is a little tricky thing, because the scores keep on happening. 3 type of scores are possible: 1, 5 and 10. And Navneet will explain. That's why the referee signal that the attacker is out. So another attacker comes, Satya. The time will keep on moving. So attacker number 2 in the third bout itself.
Yeah, there's just 10 seconds on the clock now. He's looking for the spinning heel kick and he gets taken down. That is brilliant from the captain, but he has someone else to deal with. They might get a few points, but at the moment the takedowns are coming from UP. Make that 2 in 2. It's raining takedowns here in the opening game.
Takedown gets you 5 points. It's India versus Poland right now. India versus Poland and the UKL. This bout is over. Satya is so excited. So is the whole UP Rebels camp. How many points did they score in the bout 3, Navneet?
You know what? I was there at the Combox the last time around in season 1.
Without me?
But I don't
Very
think
bad.
I've seen any team score this quickly, this much, Sunil.
But do not forget that Delhi are about 14-1-9. A huge lead of what, 33 points, 32 points. My maths is not that good.
Yeah, Rohit Tiwari did all the scoring in bout number 3. It was before that it was the captain Satya, and so they've had different people performing. Even Artsun came in and performed. Here, take a look here. Sunil, just look at that. He capitalizes on the right opportunity. They're going for the takedowns more than the punches and the kicks.
Because punches and kicks get you 1 point each. Takedown gets you 5 points. And look at that. Another takedown is going to happen.
It's finished round 1. We're heading into round 2, and it's been nothing but full of action in the first 6 minutes so far.
Breathtaking action. This is the start of the round 2. सत्य आए हैं अटैक करने के लिए. 1 मिनट का टाइम मिलता है. 1 मिनट का बाउट होता है. उसमें आप जितने पॉइंट लें, अटैकर टीम भी पॉइंट ले सकती है, डिफेंसिव टीम भी पॉइंट ले सकती है. टेक डाउन, 5 पॉइंट फॉर सत्या. Here comes defender number 2.
Satya has been in absolutely brilliant form at the start. The referee is going to intervene and bring them back into the green area of the mat, and it's also a yellow card for both the fighters.
कार्ड्स के बारे में आपको बता दें, पहले ब्लू कार्ड मिलता है जिसका मतलब है माइल्ड फाउल, येलो कार्ड मतलब फाउल, और उसके बाद अगर आपने सिवियर फाउल किया देन यू गेट रेड कार्ड एंड यू आर एक्सपेल्ड फ्रॉम द गेम.
Satya, the captain of the UP Rebels, he's done all the scoring, majority of the scoring for the Rebels. Looks like there's another card that's going to come out, another yellow card.
Thank God this is not football, where 2 yellows means you are expelled, and that is a takedown. 5 more points to Satya. Here comes Shahbaz, the defender number 3.
He's just banking on the takedowns. Now the referee will intervene. The referee will intervene. It is the end of the bout. This is absolutely brilliant, and have a look at that. He's playing to the crowd. The crowd's in this as well. Satya and Mohit Tiwari, they've just been outstanding for the Rebels.
You mean Rohit Tiwari, because his brother.
And have a look at that for a scoreline. 80-29. That is a 51-point lead in favor of the UP Rebels. Just goes to show how they've dominated play, and it sends a strong statement to the 4 other teams that are sitting in the stands today, Sunil.
Tell me one thing, what's the secret of your good mathematics? How did you calculate so quickly that it's a 51-point difference? Are you an engineer by training?
And just when you said that, I got the remaining teams wrong. But it's just brilliant. Have a look at that. Just take a look. He just banks on the takedown, Satya. He's got so many points along with...
The attacker number 2 comes. The bout will continue for 60 seconds.
Yeah, it's the turn of the UP Rebels to attack once again. He's up against Vedveer. What has he got? Rahul is brilliant. There's plenty of exchanges happening right now. Looking for the takedown. Second attempt, and he gets it. It's not over. It's not over.
Takedown done, and this is Kuldeep, the defender number 2, taken down. Yes, Kuldeep has been taken. No. You have been taken down. Okay, Rahul has been taken down. Finally, Delhi does something good. Kashif is their attacker number 2 in this bout.
The takedown is the go-to move because that's going to give you a 5-pointer. Oh, he's stuck in an awkward position there, Kuldeep. That's not the position that you want to be in because it makes it that much easier for a takedown. 10 seconds on the clock.
Can we see another takedown? Punches, kicks only get you 1 point each. Takedown will not happen. The bout ends there. Okay. You cannot play after the whistle. He was about to...
UKL Ultimate Karate League.
The bout Babu Banarasi. We're back live from the Babu Banarasi Das Stadium here in Lucknow. This is game number 1. Delhi Bravehearts against the UP Rebels at the moment. The Rebels are winning this convincingly as we see Vedveer taking on the captain Satya. Plenty of exchanges happening at the moment. Punches.
That is punches in bunches.
Punches in bunches. Now he's looking for the takedown. He's looking for the takedown. If they get in close proximity, in all likelihood, he's looking for that. Exactly that. No, it isn't a complete breakdown, but even before that, there's another attacker and there's another defender. My goodness, this is all happening here in Lucknow. The referee is trying to get a sense of what's happening. He's going to pull out some cards.
He says, hang on, let me do my job. Yellow, 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 yellow. No more extra aggression, you fellow.
Oh man, this is absolutely brilliant entertainment.
This was open for all. Like all the defenders, all the attackers, like it was a Royal Rumble as we see on Sony 10 Sports in WWE. But this is not Royal Rumble. This is UKL, the Ultimate Karate League. You get points here. And look at that costume. It's called gi. And
Such an exciting format.
UKL, or we should call it Unique Karate League because of the unique features, the unique rules and format. And here begins the round number 3. Rahul is the attacker from UP and Shahbaz is the defender. The exchange of punches gets you only 1 point each. Only 1 point each. Okay, that's a punch. It's a dangerous punch. A referee had to intervene.
And so what happened there was that a punch landed on the face, and that's dangerous play, and that got the opponent off guard. And remember, you need to land your punch or your kick to get that 1 point. He's looking for the takedown. Brilliant. Excellent from Shahbaz, but hang in there. Look at that for a jumping kick.
Shahbaz takes down and gets taken down in a jiffy. Here comes Satyapal, the captain of UP Rebels, trying to inflict a takedown and does it successfully. 5 points yet again for Satya. So 3 takedowns so far in this bout.
Well, the crowd roars on that takedown. That was so wonderful to see. Now the referee will come in. He will come in. Stop play. It looks like it is the end of the bout. Remember, this is round 3, so we're left with 6 bouts, and with this completed, it leaves us with 5 more. But this is again a bout that goes in favor of the Rebels, and at the moment they're just running away with this game. What a statement by the Rebels in the opening game.
I guess they've already ran away with the game from Lucknow to Banaras, I'm sure, and Delhi cannot catch them even with a Shatabdi Express.
Who knows what's in store, Sunil?
That is the beauty of UKL that we promised to you before the beginning of this match and the league. And Delhi turned the... Oh, okay. Mishal is not on the court. He has been substituted. 3 players on the mat, 3 on the sidelines. You can make as many substitutions as you want. So this is the takedown number 1. Delhi is attacking. And their attacker is going to be taken down. No, sir, he says. This is Kuldeep, and finally he is taken down.
You know, Kuldeep wasn't going to go down without a fight, the captain. So it's 5 to each of the teams. He's exchanging plenty of blows, and Lakshya is picking up plenty of points in the process. He may not get a takedown. No. Is that a legitimate takedown? Yes, it is. No, hold out there, says the referee. Shahbaz comes in. That is a takedown, so it's 2 in favor of the Rebels now. But Satya was just a little too tired. It's 2-all. Absolutely nothing to choose. Rohit makes it 3-2 in favor of the Rebels. It's all happening here. 5 takedowns in the little that we've seen. It's seesawing both ways. It's 3-2 in favor of the Rebels in just this bout. Absolutely brilliant.
And the question is how much Delhi Bravehearts can score. It's Vedveer, their attacker. Can they at least score like 15 or 20 points, which can be a face saver for Delhi Bravehearts? Punches and kicks. Single points, not a takedown. Oh, a possibility of a takedown. Not inflicted. So Ranjit versus Vedveer. The final 30 seconds of the action tonight for you on the day one of the Ultimate Karate League Season 2. Oh, chance of a takedown, and yes, the referee signals takedown. Here comes Shahbaz, tries the takedown, goes down on the mat and joins me in commentary box. Ritesh Sinha, welcome brother.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tandon. Oh, it was amazing. I've just been standing and watching the match. I'm out of breath already, and I'm just getting started.
Wow, let's spare a thought for us.
Well, so far, high speed, intensive, brutal, and scintillating so far. Nothing more than that. Nothing short of it, to be honest.
And I'm sure the name lives up to its reputation. The Ultimate Karate League. The action was ultimate, wasn't it?
Absolutely. Everything that has happened so far has been ultimate, to the point that everybody is on the edge of their seat.
Look at the score. The UP Rebels, that's a confirmation, win the first match of the UKL Season 2 by a massive difference of 30 points. 136 in favor of Delhi Bravehearts and 166 points scored by UP Rebels. That sends a strong message to all the remaining teams.
Absolutely. The hosts are living up to their reputation, and the winning the first match really sends a huge statement to every team in this competition that we are here and we are about to win it and we are looking to win it. So, great start for UP. But I have to give it to Delhi as well. They fought really hard. At one point they were behind so much, but they made up the ground and almost caused an upset. But UP Rebels, clearly the winner of the first match.
They're waiting for their celebration to begin. And look at the faces of Delhi players. And look at that camp, UP Rebels. They celebrate very silently. But Delhi is happy the way they came back. Well done, UP. So we'll take a quick break on the Sony 10-1 and we'll be back with the presentation ceremony. Please stay with us.
UKL Ultimate Karate League.